Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been asked to do a quick video on inverting colours on a PS4. It also has the same on the PS5, just slightly different route. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like and share this video. It helps the channel and others a lot. Inverting colours on a PS4 and a PS5 is easy. From the main dashboard, move up to the top control menu and move along to the settings icon. In Settings, find and select Accessibility. In the Accessibility options, Invert Colors is the second one down. Enable Invert Colors using X on the controller. As you can see, it goes yellow. Inverted mode is now switched on. You can go back to the settings and accessibility to turn it off at any time. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. See you soon.